The SAT is an exam that tests for college readiness. All four-year colleges and universities accept the SAT, and it is required by the vast majority of colleges and universities. The higher your SAT scores, the more likely you are to get into a school. The SAT is also required for many scholarships, which have minimum SAT scores. Scholarships are free money, which is money that you don't have to pay back for school.
I did SAT prep because I knew how important the SAT was for college, and my PSAT scores were not where I wanted them to be. So I knew I needed to put in the extra work to get them really good.
I heard that the best way to assure that you're going to get a good score on the SATs is if you get SAT prep. And I wanted to make sure that I had basically the best possible opportunities to succeed. Just per my PSAT in comparison, I got a pretty good score. Really improved. I really do believe that just the reading and writing portion and the math portion both equally improved because of that prep time.
If I didn't take SAT prep, there would be some schools that would be more reach than they are now.
There was definitely some colleges I ruled out at first. That higher SAT score as a result of the prep really was what allowed me to apply to some schools that would have been a little bit harder for me to get into.
It helped me a lot when it came to my SAT scores. I'm proud of my scores, and a lot of that is accredited to SAT prep and Ms. Chu. And
Ms. Chu actually broke things down and really simplified everything, and she had a lot of detail.
For the juniors, please do it. I know it seems I don't really want to do SAT prep. I don't want to do extra work. I get it, but it's super important. It's going to be super helpful. Please do it. I'm telling you, please.
Take SAT prep. Get the best possible chances for you to be able to succeed. But if you want to make sure that you're going to have the opportunities that you want to have and be able to make your application look really good, then you should take that prep.